Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aranya Sakanti, and today I'm going to discuss about conservation of momentum. What is conservation of momentum? Conservation of momentum is a fundamental principle in physics stating that the total momentum of a closed system remains constant if no external forces are acting on it. Well, momentum is defined as the product of an object, mass, and its velocity. The principle of conservation of momentum applies to various situations such as collision or explosion. There are two types of conservation of momentum, elastic and inelastic. Now, let's see the video. After you see the video, which video is inelastic and which video is elastic? Elastic collision is a collision between two objects that result in the object separating after impact without losing kinetic energy. In other words, the kinetic energy of the object before and after collision is the same. What is an elastic collision? An elastic collision is a collision where the total kinetic energy of the system is not conserved, but the total momentum is. This means that some of the kinetic energy is lost and transformed into other forms of energy, such as heat or sound. So, what is the example of the inelastic collision? As the video saw before, when two objects collide and stick together, the collision is called perfectly inelastic. This is because the maximum amount of kinetic energy is transformed into other forms of energy. As you can see from the PPT, the formula of the elastic collision is M1U1 plus M2U2, means is the before of the collision, and equal to M1V1 plus M2V2 after the collision. The formula of inelastic collision is before the collision and after the collision. So M1V1 plus M2V2 and equal to M1 plus M2 times by the final velocity. Let's do number 2, only letter A. Okay. Two particles A and B of mass 5 kg and 2 kg respectively are moving in opposite direction along the same straight horizontal line. Okay, so there are two particles A and B moving in opposite direction. Okay, mass 5m and 2m. Okay, before the collision, the speed of A and B is 3 ms 1 and 4. Okay, the direction of motion of A is unchanged by the collision. The speed of A is, so after the collision, so this is before and after the collision. 0.9, and this is what we search. Okay, now let's do the conservation. Let's do the exercise. So conservation of momentum. 5m 3 plus 2m and 4 equal to 5m 0.8, and what we search the VB, yeah, and it's become so m, so 15 minus 8 become 4 plus 2 VB, 3 become 2 VB, and VB become 3.2. So this is the answer. So now let's do number 1, only letter A. Find the speed direction of Q after collision. Okay. Two particles P and Q have masses 4m and m respectively. The particles are moving towards each other, like this, on a smooth horizontal plane and collide. The speed of P before, so this is before the collision, is 2u and 5u. And after the collision, P is reverse and the speed is here. So we're going to search the speed of VQ. Okay. Now how to do it? Conservation of momentum for m times mean to m plus m, sorry, this must be u, m 5u for m, a half u plus m vq. It's become minus 3mu and it's become 2, become 2mu plus m vq. This and this become min 3 min 2 m vq min 5. Wait, where's m? Oh, must be 2m, so become min v like this. For the last question, explain what is meant by inelastic collision. Inelastic collision is the total energy of the system not conserved. So means sum of the kinetic energy loss transform into other energy, can be heat or sound. Okay. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.